Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Journey My Locks, and really quickly, just want to show you guys my lock extensions. These extensions were made by Miss Mukisa Locks. They are 10-inch, color 1B, micro size, so they're about 0.2 centimeters. As you guys can see, they were made by the interlocking method. If I get in closer, you guys can see the texture of the locks, which I absolutely love them. They mimic my natural locks so well that I'm actually very excited to install them. Now you guys can see there's a little bit of a brown tint because again it is 1B, I believe 1B version. I'm going to go ahead and color that before I install them. I'm going to color them a darker color, which I will make a video for, so you guys can definitely check that out. But again, yeah, these are my extensions that I will be installing. You guys can see. And they look wonderful. Again, these are Mukisa Locks 10-inch, 0.2 centimeters, color 1B, and I ordered 240 of them. Yep. All right, ciao.